Hello and welcome. Today my wife wanted me to engrave a tool for a relative of hers. I haven't engraved anything in a long time and never with a Dremal. All she wanted was his name on a multi-tool and a nice cursive font. So after looking online for a font, installing it, and opening GIMP, I went to work making a template. My work area was 2.10 inches long by 0.8 inches tall. So I set the resolution to inches as opposed to pixels and made a label in the font I wanted. After printing out several labels, I glued them to a practice piece. After I was satisfied with my practice pieces, I went to work on the main item. After the engraving was done, I went back over it with a calligraphy pen. I sanded off the excess and was pleased with the result. If you want to try engraving something, give it a shot. It's not real hard to do, and if you can do nice writing, or even manage a steady hand, it's fun, and I think you'll be pleased with the results. Have a good day, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.